Hi, welcome to the video. Today, I'll guide you through the seamless synchronization between SuiteCRM and Google Calendar. We'll explore the bidirectional syncing of events between the two platforms. Let's dive in. First, navigate to the All from the main menu and click on SuiteCRM Google Calendar. For configuration, click on App Settings on the left sidebar, then click on Edit. Add the Google API key, client ID, and client secret obtained from the Google Developer Console. Enable the Google People API to avoid authorization errors. You can follow the Google configuration steps here or refer to the video link in the description to get your Google Client ID, client secret, and developer key. Once done, click on Save. To ensure the seamless record sync, configure the sync settings from the left side menu. Click on Edit. Enable the Enable Sync checkbox to synchronize events between Google Calendar and SuiteCRM Calendar. For instant record sync, enable the On-Save Sync option. To sync your records automatically at regular intervals, enable this cron sync option. Choose event types and statuses for syncing. Here you can select the start date and time of the events from which you want to sync your events from Google Calendar. Also, you can determine the start date and time of the event to sync your calendar event from CRM to Google Calendar. Next, we go for authorization. To authorize your Google account, navigate to Google Sync. Click here to authorize. Select your desired account and follow the on-screen instructions. Once your account gets authorized, you can easily sync your events from Google Calendar to CRM with a single click on Sync from Google. Also, you can sync your calendar events from CRM to Google Calendar by clicking on this Sync to Google. Before syncing records, I will show my Google Calendar. There is no event in my Google Calendar. Now I will create an event as a sales meeting at 12:30 p.m. in my CRM calendar. Then click on Sync to Google. Now the newly created event has been successfully created on my Google Calendar. Here I am creating another event in my Google Calendar as a group discussion at 5 p.m. Come back to the extension and click on Sync from Google. Here, you can see that the event created on my Google Calendar has been successfully synced to my SuiteCRM calendar. You can easily reset the connection and authorize it with another Google account by simply clicking on this Revoke Authentication. You can also view all the success and failure sync statuses on a single page by clicking on the Logs option. That's all you need to know about SuiteCRM Google Calendar Integration. This video should be a helpful guide. Thanks for watching.